send WhatsApp messages to 500 plus users in just 10 seconds without even touching my phone. So look at this. This is the message is delivered automatically in real time to all of my contacts. And no, I didn't use any complicated coding. I used a simple automation tool called Pabbly Chatflow. Normally sending messages on WhatsApp look like this, that copy, paste, send and repeat. And if you have 100 or even thousands of users, then that requires hours of manual work. But with this system, you just click once and your message reaches everyone. With the help of this broadcast feature that are present inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can send offers and discounts, important updates, announcements and reminders to hundreds or even thousands of users at the same time. And this is just a demo example. You can use this for any business, not just one specific industry. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this broadcast setup step by step. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, as we are going to create a WhatsApp broadcast. So for that, I am going in this broadcast feature. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp broadcast messages for your own business. After coming in this page, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. And then you have to select the broadcast type from here that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. After that, you have to give the name to your broadcast that I am entering as coaching alert. Next, I am selecting the contact list from here as new list. See, for adding a contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, you have to go in this contacts feature and go towards this plus add contact. After that, you can add the contact one by one manually, but I refer you to add in bulk. For adding in bulk contacts, you have to create a CSV file of all of your users' contact. Now, what is CSV file? So CSV stands for comma separated values. It is the simplest file that contains the user data just like this. You can create a CSV file inside Excel or in Google Sheets. See, I have added all of my users' contact details in my Google Sheet. After adding all of your users' contacts, you have to click on this files option and download this file in a CSV format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that only CSV file is allowed with a maximum size limit of 50 MB, and you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting it is. For uploading a contacts in bulk, you have to click on this option. After that, click on this add new file, and next drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload file. See, the file is uploaded successfully. Next, select the file from here and click on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this add contacts button, and this is how easily you can add contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now we will go back to our broadcast setup. You can also create a contact list by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one by the name of new list where I added only 44 contacts. Now we will go back to the setup of our broadcast message. Here I selected the same contact list. Next, you have to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send the regular message by selecting this option and select the message type from here. Also enter the message in this field, but I refer you to select the message type as pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and that follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, you have to select the WhatsApp template from here by clicking on this option. And here in this video, I am going to do the setup of this broadcast message for Coaching Institute. But whether you run a real estate service based or any other business, you can customize it based on your own business. After that, I'm clicking on this option and uploading this image as a dummy example. See, this is how the template look like. After that, I will click on this done button. So now I think the one question is going to become in your mind that how you can design this template. So for that, you have to go in this templates feature. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of templates for your different type of businesses. It is a predefined messages that is used for easy access and scale communication. Here I have already created some templates before. If you want to create a new one, then you can click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Here, after selecting the template, I am going to test this broadcast setup by entering the username as test user and entering my number in this field only for the testing purpose. After entering the number, I am clicking on the send test message button and it says that test broadcast sent, and immediately I received 2. This includes all the content that I have entered in this template and the image too. As I told you earlier, I have designed this template completely based on my choice, and my objective is only to teach you how you can do the broadcast by using Pabbly Chatflow. You can make the changes in it completely based on your interest. You can make the changes in it by making it more interesting and attractive based on your business. As I have received the message, this means that our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, you have to schedule the broadcast. You can send the message instantly as well as schedule it for later. I am scheduling this broadcast for later, so I am selecting this option. Next, I am selecting the date as 29th of April and the timing as 4 p.m. So on 29 April 2026 at 4 p.m, this message is going to be sent to all of my 44 contacts. After that, I will click on this plus add broadcast button and see it says that broadcast created successfully and it is scheduled in here too. Trust me, this is the best way to send a bulk messages to each of your user. See, this is the smartest way to send messages to multiple users at once without creating any group. This makes each message feel personal, just like you send it manually. You can reach hundreds of users instantly while still maintaining one-to-one conversation. That's why the broadcast is the most powerful way to send bulk messages without losing personalization. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button. Also export the report from here. Here you will see the status as sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. You can also resend the broadcast to the failed contacts too. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing this amazing setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. If you want me to create a separate broadcast message for your own business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial for it too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.